One question came to me before a few days. One person asked me, Sheikh, if I own this is my soul, this is my body, so what is the problem if I kill myself? I have freedom. Okay, of course this is wrong concept. Why? Because the Prophet ﷺ mentioned a severe torment for the person who kills himself. So that's why it is haram. And it doesn't mean that, wallahi, this is my body, I can do whatever I like in my body. And this is my soul, I can do whatever I like in my soul. Okay? No, this is wrong concept. This is wrong freedom. For example, if this is your beard as a man. Okay, this is my beard. Okay, is it allowed for me to shave the beard? No, it is haram to shave the beard. Okay, if there is a sister has nice hair, wallahi, this is my freedom, I expose my hair. No, this is haram to expose your hair to the people outside. Okay, yes, this is your body, this is your hair, this is your beauty from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, but you have to follow the rules of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Okay? Not also the one who did the suicide, okay? The one who killed himself, still he is a Muslim, and we do janazah for him. We do janazah for him. Okay, why? Because he is a Muslim. We do the janazah for all the Muslims. We do the janazah for all the Muslims. Okay, but for the shaheed, for the martyr, it is not compulsory to pray on him. If we like, we can do the prayer. If we don't want, we don't do the prayer, because there is hadith to pray and there is another hadith not to pray. I mean the Prophet ﷺ. But to wash the martyr, no, we should not wash him. Okay, we bury him with his clothes, with his blood. طيب.